What is this meeting about? Am I muted?
Can you see my screen?
No, I think you're
Wait, your camera's not on.
Not only provide inverse reactants for use in
Enough meetings, enough reports, enough being lost in this middle mediocre micromanage madness. Welcome to Fibrenew. Fibrenew is for people who want to feel great about the work they do, control their own time, and run their very own business. Fibrenew works on cars, furniture, restaurant seats. If it's got leather, plastic, or vinyl, a Fibrenew technician can restore it. With a world-class support network, a built-in community with like-minded franchisees, hands-on training, and tools to help you scale. You can start a business that puts you first. Inquire at fibrenew.com and get hands-on.